In this video, I will show you how to delete Messenger account. So to do that, simply open up your Messenger. Then in the bottom right corner, you can see this menu bar. Simply click on it. After that, click on Settings. From here, click on Account Center. Now click on Manage Accounts at the bottom of the screen. Then click on your Facebook account because Facebook is linked with Messenger. Then in the second option here you can find deactivation or deletion. Click on that. Now from deactivating your account that is temporary, we have to go to delete your account permanent. Then click on continue. Now it's telling me all the pages that is linked with my profile will also be deleted. Click on continue. Now it will ask you the reason why you want to delete it. Simply click on anything that you want. It will try to convince you. Just simply click on continue, and then the final option will be delete your account permanently and confirm it, and your Messenger account will be deleted along with your Facebook account and Facebook pages. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.